Hello, this is Sergey Sergeyevich Sargov. I want to thank you for participate in E4K. E4K. You have been inspiration and your fitness is unparalleled. You have become very strongly in your physique, like me, and you have done inspiration thing for other persons. You are the best persons. Thank you. And you want fill out participant survey explanation how you feel. We would like it. Here, your trainer request you go here. That is website that you can click on, but first you have to type incredibly long, cumbersome list of numbers. This you must type. Good luck. Did I flip it? Good luck not make typos and mistake. You have the strength in your mind. Will always count you can do. Great. We'll see one more time, one more year of train for E4K next year. Bye.